The WZRELB 3500 watt 24 volt pure sine inverter acts like a translator for electricity. It takes the DC power from your 24 volt batteries. Then, it changes it into AC power. This AC power is the same kind that comes from the outlets in your house. So, you can run many of your home devices. It can even handle tools that need a lot of power to start. Think of it as a helpful tool for when the power goes out. This WZRELB 3500 watt 24 volt pure sine inverter has many outlets. It has 5 AC outlets. And some can do 120 V, while others can do 240 V. This split phase ability is special. It means it can power both regular things and bigger appliances. For example, your lights use 120 V, but a big oven might use 240 V. This inverter can handle both, and it even has a way to connect wires directly. Plus, it's efficient, saving you energy and dollar bills. It can reach up to 91.6% efficiency. Safety is also key with the WZRELB 3500 watt 24 volt pure sine inverter. It has many protections built in. These protections stop things like overload, short circuits, and overheating. These features are important because they keep your devices and the inverter safe. It even comes with a wireless remote. This makes it easy to turn the power on or off from a distance. It's like having a power switch that you can control from your couch. It's a great tool for providing reliable power. Pros: Pure sine wave power. Works with 24 volt batteries, outputs 120 volt and 240 volts, split phase. Capable, high surge power. 7 kW. Multiple AC outlets. 5. Easy to wire AC, efficient. Up to 91.6%. Wireless remote included, good for many uses. Cons: could be pricey, might have high surge, installation needed, needs battery bank, draws idle current, generates some heat, limited outlets, split phase complex, remote is another part. Efficiency not 100. Features: 3500 watt power 24 volt pure sine wave 24 volt DC to AC 120 versus 240 volt split phase 7 kilowatts. Surge 5 AC outlets, AC hardwire terminal, high efficiency. 91.6%. Wireless remote, model SP350024RC. This WZRELB 3500 watt power inverter takes 24 volt DC power, like from a battery, and turns it into 120 volt or 240 volt AC power, which is what most home appliances use. It can handle a big power surge up to 7000 watt for a short time. It has 5 regular AC outlets and a special place to connect wires directly. It's very efficient, meaning it doesn't waste much power. Up to 91.6%. You can even control it with a wireless remote. The model number is SP350024RC. This WZRELB 3500 watt inverter takes 24 volt battery power and changes it into the 120 volt and 240 volt electricity that many appliances use. It can handle a lot of power at once for short bursts. Up to 7 kW. Has 5 regular outlets, and can also be wired directly. It's pretty efficient, meaning it doesn't waste too much power. And it even comes with a remote control. This type of inverter makes clean power, which is good for many things. But it might cost more. Also, it can have a high power draw when starting up big appliances. Needs to be installed. Needs a separate battery setup. Uses a little power even when nothing is plugged in. And gets a bit warm. You also don't get a ton of outlets. Setting up the 240 volt can be a bit complicated. The remote is another thing to keep track of. And it's not perfectly efficient.